I was curious that is it possible to make a dinner for a whole family in 2025 under 10 euros? And the answer is yes, so let's break it down. What do you need for this recipe? I bought everything in the nearest supermarket and these are the actual prices right now. The first things you need is 2 pieces of onions. You also need 6 cloves of garlic, 500 grams of diced bacon, half a liter of cream, 1 package of spaghetti pasta, only 1 tablespoon of oil in the beginning of the cooking, and of course the spices. So everything in total was 7.5 euros, and it should be enough at least for 4 persons. So first start with a touch of oil, and when it's hot enough, start to fry the bacon. When the bacon is almost ready, you can add the chopped onion and garlic. Fry the bacon with the onions for a few minutes and then add all of the spices. Mix everything very well and then you can add the cream. Cook it for another minute and then your sauce is ready. Now the only thing is left is to prepare the spaghetti. And of course, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe because I will upload new content every week. And of course, when the pasta is ready, you just need to mix it with the sauce. The whole meal is ready under 30 minutes. Try it at home and then leave your opinion in the comment section. See you next time.